What's going on there, everybody? It's Eric here, and we're going to be continuing our series into Security Plus tidbits for our Panola College program and stuff that we don't normally dig too deep into on Security Plus inside of CBT Nuggets. These are just little areas of help that allow us to be able to push our way through the certification exam and allow us to be able to get that certification to brag about it, right? That's the whole point. In this video, we're going to be talking about software and hardware keys, and we're going to keep this one kind of short because it's a pretty quick explanation and distinguishing between of the two. So software keys is something that's required to be inputted by the user on the particular system in order to unlock a file or a folder or bits of data on that system. Easiest way to be able to remember this is that if you have a password protected file or an encrypted file that requires a password, that is a software key. Now, a basic example of this would be like a zip file that has a password on it, or an Adobe PDF that has a password on it. Those are software keys because it's inputted by us using the keyboard. Now, a hardware key is a little bit different because, as the name implies, it actually comes with some hardware. And the best example I have for this for you is that on a IBM clone, I know what you're thinking, but on Microsoft compatible systems, we have what's called a TPM chip. Now, it doesn't matter if it's Intel or AMD, whoever makes it, it's a TPM chip that allows the actual system to do hardware encryption on the particular drive or partition or whatever it may be. In the case of Microsoft, we're talking about BitLocker, and that TPM chip is what's actually the key for that encryption. So when you boot your system up and it's asking for a passphrase or a password, that's a software key to enable the actual hardware key, that chip on the system. Because if that chip is missing or that hard drive has been moved somewhere else, that unique chip, TPM chip in this case, is not present and cannot unlock the actual encryption on that drive. And in the Apple world, we have Apple Silicon. Now, I have it here written on a screen because I'm always confused by the actual name Silicon. I don't know why, it just throws me off. But in the world of Apple, we use File Vault like we do BitLocker in Microsoft, and it's the exact same principle. The actual chip of Apple Silicon on that particular Apple system is the hardware key that it enables or disables the encryption on that drive for us. So when the system boots up, we put in our passcode, which is the software key, and the actual chip is required to be that hardware key to say, yep, here's the key for it, unlock it so the user can use it. Now, there are many different examples of software and hardware keys that exist out there, and I'm sure that we can make many different comparisons across the multiverse that there is of cybersecurity out there. But I just wanted to give a quick overview because this is something that is brought up a couple of times on the CompTIA Security Plus exam. So don't forget to tell your friends about this, like, subscribe, follow the channel, and leave a comment below to let me know if there's any other stuff that we need to cover in particular for the CompTIA Security Plus exam or just in general for cybersecurity or digital forensics. Anyway, y'all take care. I'll see you in the next one.